Sokuti malowa ndayeza kale sokuti mpatali swapa. Sokuti mpatali di. Ndipatali lukuma. Sokuti ndipatali nchimwene.
All right, silence on set. All phones on silent. The director will soon be here.
Lincoln, let me talk.
Kefo kali. Ife tukakhala mbali tizukuonera iweyo. Inu osadanda taziponyera iweyo. Ife tukakhala mbali kupanga zimenezi.
Okay, position everyone. Kali, are you ready? Because this is simple.
Sir, can I talk to you, sir?
Wow,
Sir,
I love this. I love the panic breaths. You're selling the role.
sir, that's not what I mean. What I'm trying to tell you is
Listen,
that...
Kali, you're in a domestic violence relationship, okay? Your fiancé is going to come from there and push you down. Are you ready?
Sir.
Okay, very good.
No, sir, what I'm trying to say
Are
is
we
that...
ready?
Sir.
And
Sir, let me talk.
Action!
So, the stunt mattress is not here.
Kalisus, wait!
It's over!
What the shit?
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Eto Malawi.